If you feel being lonely is more appeal than me, then I'll cry and I'll die. If you feel that I'm too bad to ever take back, then I'll be good for you. Tell me on Saturday, if things mean the same like they did today. And do you still cry the way you used to? My love slipping away like the bubbles rising in my beer. I get down when you're not near. I wish you were here to slip away with me like you used to say. Yes, you would if you could. Tell me on Saturday, do things mean the same like they did today? And do you still cry the way you used to? Guess it's just gonna be one of those days. But these days life seems to be so hard. It seems to be so hard. I've got no money and a government that tells me things aren't really quite so bad. Really all that bad. And as a sign on this screen-touched line, I wish that something was happening in this life of mine. In this life of mine. But no one ever told me this in school. It's something that I've had to learn on my own. Learn all on my very own. This is freedom, and this is caring. This is all England really means to me. This is the way that I see my life. People say to me, how do you live your life? I've never really known and I've never really cared. I saw a girl that I knew in school today. She did say hello, but I think that she knew me. I think that she knew me. She was carrying a baby and a million hugs. It made me sad, but at the same time glad, and at the same time so bad. I remember how she always used to laugh and smile when someone or something had taken it all away, had taken it all away. This must be freedom, this must be caring, this is all England really means to me. This is the way that I see my life. Reach the end of the day, and still I've done nothing. I still don't know and I still don't care. I went drinking down the local pub tonight, sat in the corner quietly, watching everyone, watching everyone. I saw myself in about 20 years' time, when life is work, mortgages and the price of beer. Price of beer. I suppose this is evolution, but I don't want to be a part of that institution. No, no, no. There's no freedom and there's no caring. This is what England really means to me. This is the way that I see my life. People say to me, how do you live your life? I'll say on my own, I'll say on my own. Times are tough, but would it always mean the same to me? There must be more than sleeping off the day, smoking cigarettes and making tea. I could buy some clothes from an influential magazine and go down the pub on a Friday night and tell the girls I'm James Dean. But it don't seem to happen like it does on the telly, much to my chagrin. And it's costing me so much money. Whoa, whoa. If I go to a disco tonight, I'll get hurt 'cause there's always a vice. It's full of smoke smoke and flashing lights and girls talking about their prides. Terry and his girlfriend Cherry James, very plain. Susan drinking vodka and limes. Jimmy says he's done it 9 times, but no one here seems to know my name. It's really is a shame, 'cause it's costing me so much money. Whoa, whoa. Will I always be self-unemployed? Will I always break strings and get annoyed? It's nothing for me, unless you guess there's no testing a YTS. You can work for me, I can't pay you. I'll tell you what to do. I'll keep it for a year, but I promise you more. You can make my tea and sweep my floor. And if you don't like it, tough, 'cause I've got the money. Whoa, whoa, whoa. People are tough, but times are tough, but will it always mean the same to me? He's 16 now and he's acting real sweet. He holds his head down when he walks down the street, looking for a job and all the things that go with it. 'Cause whatever they want, he's here to give it. The golden handshake and the streets that are paved with gold. Yeah, he's gotta do it now, one day he'll be old. His life's up to grabs and the working mode. 'Cause this is what he stayed across the playground for. This is why he stayed up late until 3:45. This is all he ever wanted to be. If no one wants to take him too seriously, he's finding it hard down at the bottom of the tree. I told him first you must be a trainee. Yes or no, sir, a dog's body. And he's finding out that things aren't really how. Yeah, the adverts on the walls just to make it out, make it out. Yeah, 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 yeah. 'Cause this is what he stayed across the playground for. This is why he stayed up late until 3:45. This is all he ever really wanted to be. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now it feels taken for a ride. He holds his head down low because he got no pride. He gave him all he had in just 2 brief years. Kept his nose down to the ground, blood, sweat and tears. I'm sure you're the right one, or someone to employ. Yeah, and take this now, it says you've been a good boy, a good boy. Yeah, 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 yeah. And as he walks dejected down back to the street, he wants another boy who's looking down the sea. Another boy who's ready for the sea. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is what he's there across the playground for. This is why he's there up late to the quarter to four. This is all he ever wanted to be. Yeah, yeah. Lovers kissing in the summer sun, sharing their coke and having fun, sitting together in biology, going home and being silly, smoking in the toilets and getting cruise. Things never turn out like we thought. Summer lawns and fresh cut grass, party moods and exams to pass. And it makes me happy sad, 'cause I was once like that. Wacky haircuts and colourful clothes, Jim tells Terry she really goes. Sunday best and a laundry bill, I'm getting excited when she says I will. Dressing up for parties with a bottle of wine, the mirror loves your shut-up line. Propping up the bar and a dirty joke, getting pissed and going home broke. And it makes me happy sad, 'cause I was once like that. Snap, crackle, pop and Selena Scott's, Granny shoes, man, she's got the lots. Sunday papers and diversity, shock, horror, bingo and dynasty, mixing truth and making a myth. Better Lynch has got a flat in Hammersmith. Still you're young and it's Saturday. Who was out of church you anyway? And it makes me happy sad, 'cause I was once like that. Lovers could kiss in the summer sun. Will you always be having fun? You could get engaged and start a family. Ponder other love while you eat your tea. Champagne and pretty girls dressed in lace. 45 years at the same old pace. Still you're old and it's Saturday. Who is Ronnie Gorbachev anyway? And it makes me happy sad, 'cause I was once like that. And it will make me bloody sad if I ever get like that. Now I know there's not really much left to say. There never is on days like today. If you feel that being lonely is more appeal than me, then I'll cry and I'll die. If you feel that I'm too bad to ever take back, then I'll be good for you. Tell me on Saturday if things mean the same like they did today. And do you still cry the way you used to? My love's slipping away like the bubbles rising in my beer. I get down when you're not near. I wish you were here.